Hello, my name is Scott Kidd. I'm the Vice President of Food and Beverage at Live Casino in Hanover, Maryland. It's happy hour at our house. We have a great thing to celebrate today, and even though the casino's been closed, we are celebrating our anniversary on June 6th. So I thought I would talk about the Old Fashioned cocktail. And so the Old Fashioned is a cocktail that's been around for many, many years, for actually several hundred years, going back to the early 1800s. The original recipe was sugar cube, bitters, the spirit, a little twisted lemon, and with some ice to finish it off, and we'll demonstrate that in a minute. But the cocktail's been around for so long. In fact, during the Civil War, it was actually batched into barrels and sold to the Union Army as part of their provisions. During Prohibition, of course, the cocktail was still being made, but they compromised the recipe with other sweet ingredients in order to cover up and mask the flavor of the poor quality liquor that was available at that time. After World War II, the cocktail continued to be popular, and patrons would ask the barkeeper or the bartender, could you make the old-fashioned, or could you make the whiskey cocktail with the old-fashioned recipe? And therefore the old-fashioned name stuck with the cocktail ever since. The cocktail continued to remain very popular up until the 60s, until the martini took over. But even today, the popularity of this cocktail has come back because of bars like Bourbon and Branch and some of the craft cocktail bars that make wonderful things today. So our ingredients for this are very simple. I've chosen some Bulleit bourbon here. If you can use your favorite bourbon, Maker's Mark, whatever you like, Buffalo Trace, whatever your favorite is. You can also use rye, as I said. We've got our Angostura bitters here as well. And if you look at bitters, there's more and more bitters that have become available online or in the marketplace. I definitely recommend experimenting with bitters. It's a great way to add some wonderful complex flavors to your cocktails. You can make your own bitters at home, but it does take some time, about 30 days, by the time you do the inception and you actually do the extraction of flavor. So let's make our cocktail. So first, we've got our sugar cube here with our old-fashioned glass. We're going to do 1 drop of bitters on top of our sugar cube here. There we go. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of water, so we have something to work with here. And we're going to get our mother out of the drawer. And we're going to paste this down. And you want to mix it around. It's nice and mixed up real good. All right. Now we're going to take 2 ounces of our Bulleit bourbon here. Got to open the bottle. All right. So 1.5, 2 ounces. Now we're going to add our ice. Now the goal here, this is not a shaken cocktail. If you make this cocktail and expect to shake it, you'll actually bruise the bourbon. So we're just going to take our spoon and gently mix it around here. Mix all the flavors. Make sure the sugar is well dissolved and absorbed. Take that out. And take our lemon twist, squeeze it, some of the lemon essential oil on top. Put that in there. We're going to garnish this with a little orange, a little maraschino cherry. And here you go. Enjoy Old Fashioned. Happy anniversary, Live Casino. Ladies and gentlemen, we look forward to seeing you very soon, and we can't wait till you return. Have a great evening.